Regards Spot World Heritage and Data Lake API. Context. CNES developed a framework called Regards. This acronym means Renewal of Generic Tools to Access and Archive Space Data. Regards allows to catalog and archive space mission data, addressing various topics from Earth observation to astronomy, as well as physical sciences and technology. Regards is highly configurable and adaptable for mission centers, life of mission archive, and for the thematic data centers, long-term archives. This poster presents the main characteristics of Regards: functions, architecture, configuration, and adaptation. Two use cases are also present. Firstly, Spot World Heritage Catalog, and secondly, the renewal of the CNES long-term storage. Regards architecture. Regards application architecture relies on microservices. These microservices, developed in Java, are highly cohesive and loosely coupled. They interact inside the cluster using synchronous and asynchronous communications. A web user interface, frontend, provides user and administration functions and interacts with the microservices in the backend. The Spot World Heritage Project key information. Spot World Heritage Catalog is an initiative from CNES. The objective was to preserve and publish the Spot Level 1A products. Spot satellites have collected more than 20 million of images all over the world during the last 30 years. How to configure and adapt the Regards framework to build the Spot World Heritage Catalog. This part of poster describes the main steps to configure the catalog. Step 1. Data model configuration. The first step of the project is to define the data model and its attributes. A Spot product is described by about 40 attributes. Some of them are standard, for example, data file size, but most of them are specific to Earth observation thematic, example, cloud cover. The administration interface allows to describe this model and to define the layout in the user interface as shown on the step 1 pictures. Step 2. Search criteria. The second step is to configure the search forms. Regards administration interface allows to choose attributes that will be used in the search criteria. Search forms are dynamically built in the user interface as shown on the step 2 pictures. Step 3. Metadata ingest. To produce and ingest metadata, the data provider microservice browses a file's arborescence. For each file, it applies a plugin that will produce a submission information package. A submission information package is a GeoJSON file containing the values read in the file previously browsed. The attributes values corresponding to the data model defined in the step 1. This plugin is the only piece of code that has been developed for building the catalog. The administration interface allows to define acquisition processing chain, and it applies it on the 20 million Spot products. On-demand processing. The last step presents a function currently in development. It concerns the on-demand processing. The objective of this development is to allow the launch of an external processing chain when downloading products. This processing allows to generate L1B and L1C products. This processing chain is deployed on the CNES High Performance Computing Center. Regards as Data Lake API. The last part of this poster presents the Data Lake project and the use of Regards. The first objective of the Data Lake project is to replace the storage infrastructure by an object storage facility. The second objective is to replace this API by Regards in order to provide a REST API for accessing Ceph. This choice allows to limit the impacts of the evolution of infrastructure and to preserve business metadata.